Hey, what's up, guys? In the garage, I have a 2017 Honda Accord with a 3.5 V6. I was getting a lot of road noise coming from under my vehicle. It turns out my ball joint, you guys can hear that, it's pretty bad. And also the bearing is bad, right? So what to do to fix that problem? I had to order the brand new knuckle that comes in with a bearing press. When you listen to this, you can barely hear anything. Nothing, right? And this knuckle has a ball joint that comes with the nuts and the collar pin and everything, right? It's a plug and play. Also, my CV axle that connecting to my transmission was making a click when I'm turning my steering wheel. So I have a brand new CV axle right here. So I will be replacing a brand new CV axle and a brand new knuckle that have the bearing press and the hub and everything. All right, so right here we have a brand new knuckle, as you guys can see, and a brand new CV axle. So that's the old knuckle, that's the old axle right there. So I'm gonna put the axle nuts on. Make sure you hit that with something that going to bend the nut in here so it can lock in place, okay? And after that, I'm gonna, go ahead and put back my brake caliper back on and throw my rotor on. And the tire finally going to go on. But keep in mind, you're gonna be losing some transmission fluid right there. So you definitely wanna make sure and check your fluid level if you're gonna top it off. But this is also the best moment to go ahead and just drain your entire fluid and put the brand new fluid in the system. Other than that, the vehicle is gonna be driving great. I will catch you guys in the next video, DIY. Alrighty, so we got a whole brand new CV axle, brand new knuckle, bearing, and axle nut. Everything is back on. These are the old ones. Okay. I'm gonna trash these. I might hold on to this because it's OEM. I might rebuild it or something. You know what I mean? And after that, everything's gonna be good. So if I'm not doing business, either I'm saving money doing stuff myself. Next time you have a wheel noise, you wanna check a look at your ball joint, or your bearing, or your CV axle. I got a new suspension, by the way. I did a brand new suspension, front and the rear suspension. So now my car should be good to go. All right, so I'm test driving this bad boy. Zero noise anymore. At first it was very, very loud, guys. Hear that in the vehicle, but the only thing I'm experiencing right now is the dust plate or whatever plate on the brake caliper or knuckle, how do you want to call that? It looks like I press on it too hard for some reason, so it's gonna roll against the rotor, so it's making some quack, 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 quack. So I might go take up the wheel and pulled it away from the caliper a little bit, so it start making a noise. Other than that, the vehicle is driving great, no more weird noise, guys.